this is letter Q for queen. R, R, this is letter R for robot. S, S, this is letter S for sun. T, T, this is letter T for turtle. My lovely letters, my amazing letters. U, U, this is letter U for umbrella. V, V, this is letter V for van. W, W, this is letter W for window. X, X, this is letter X for xylophone. My lovely letters, my amazing letters. Y, Y, this is letter Y for yacht. Z, Z, this is letter Z for zoo. A, B, C, sing with me. Happy learning. 1, 2, 3.